Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are at Northcote Intermediate School in Northcote, where we are completing a full upgrade of their electronic LED sign, replacing a system that has proudly served the school community for almost 10 years. Over the years, the sign served the school very well and became an important part of how the school communicated with parents and the community. However, as technology continued to evolve, the school wanted to move towards a more modern display solution that could show sharper images, brighter colors, and more engaging visual content. After almost 10 years of operation, the existing sign had naturally started showing its age visually, especially with the surrounding ACM panels becoming faded and weather-worn over time. This made it the perfect opportunity for the school to upgrade to a newer generation LED display with significantly improved image quality and modern cloud-based functionality. But as we all know, technology changes incredibly fast. Over the last 10 years, LED display technology has evolved dramatically. Schools today are no longer just displaying simple text messages. Modern schools want to display colorful graphics, event promotions, student achievements, sports updates, welcome messages, photographs, videos, and dynamic digital content that captures attention instantly. Compared to the old 10mm display, this is a massive improvement in image clarity and viewing quality. Content now appears significantly sharper, brighter, and more vibrant, making it much easier to display images, graphics, event promotions, and school branding professionally. This new display is also fully connected to a cloud-based control system, which means school staff can manage and upload content remotely from anywhere with internet access. Whether it is an important notice to parents, upcoming school events, emergency communication, student achievements, sports announcements, enrollment promotions, or community engagement messages, the school can now update the sign instantly and efficiently without needing any technical knowledge. This is one of the biggest advantages of modern cloud-connected digital signage. Communication becomes faster, content becomes more engaging, and the school's public image becomes significantly more modern and professional. Another great part of this project is the structural side of the installation. The original galvanized steel structure was also installed by WiPath 10 years ago, and even after a decade, the structure remains extremely strong and in excellent condition. This demonstrates the importance of using quality engineering and durable materials from the beginning. For schools, it provides a fantastic way to communicate daily with parents, students, and visitors. For churches, it creates an engaging platform for service times, event promotions, inspirational messaging, and community outreach. And because modern LED technology is now far more energy efficient than older systems, organizations can enjoy brighter and more impactful displays while reducing long-term operating costs. At WiPath, we specialize in designing and installing modern LED signage solutions for schools, churches, businesses, and community organizations throughout New Zealand. Whether you are upgrading an existing sign or planning a completely new installation, we help deliver reliable, future-ready digital signage solutions built to last. If you are considering upgrading your existing electronic sign or installing a new LED display for your school, church, or organization, feel free to get in touch with the team at WiPath. We would love to help bring your project to life. WiPath specializes in integrated LED, digital display, audio, and communication solutions for schools, businesses, and communities across New Zealand. For more information, visit wipath.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next project update.